we're gonna hitchhike.
I have just this.
Grundafjordur.
It's like a shape of a heart.
Thermal boat, yes. Oh shit! We did it. Hey guys, what's up? This is Pavel Adventurer. So today we got a little trip around Iceland with my crazy friend Peter. Peter? Yeah, we're gonna hitchhike, so let's see what's coming up, yeah? Follow this vlog, it's gonna be crazy as always, yeah? Haha!
Hello. Hello. We travel to Snafellsnes?
Yes.
Good day.
Okay. We can connect?
Yes.
Good day.
And just on this.
I have more clothes in the bag. But
And you are in Iceland?
yeah, I'm in Iceland, I know. Now, but today is not cold.
Oh, okay.
It's good weather for me now.
Okay.
No problem.
No problem. Arnarstapi, Ólafsvík. How long are you go?
Around all Snafellsnes, the national park and after some hot pot.
You can drive south of the Snafellsnes and go to Arnarstapi, and the Arnarstapi is here.
Is here, yeah? This, no? Lisuhol.
Stykkishólmur,
Okay.
Ólafsvík, Rif, Hellisandur. Is out.
Okay. And this area is very beautiful, yeah?
Yes,
Because national
yes,
park?
yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And you are from Iceland, yeah?
Yes.
From Borgarnes?
No.
No.
I'm from Westfjord.
Westfjord, okay. I traveled to Westfjord 1 week back.
Okay.
It's nice area.
Yeah.
Very beautiful.
This is a mountain there and no mountain here.
Yeah. It's a little difficult vibe,
Yes.
but nice too.
I'm from Flattery.
Flattery?
Yes.
Okay. I was in Ísafjörður and after come back.
Okay. I was okay weather in Westfjord.
But first my experience is Lautrabjörg. It's very beautiful for me because the first experience with this fjords, yeah, in my life. It's amazing for me.
I have a boat. I'm sailing from Reykjavik to Flattery.
Okay.
This is 160 miles and I'm going just Lautrabjörg.
Okay. You travel every day to Reykjavik? No.
No.
1 week?
This weather, it's good weather. I can go to fishing and it's bad weather, and now it's bad weather in Westfjord and no good weather for me. It's a small boat, this is 10 meters. Fishing go up and down. I have a 5, some take off the fish.
Okay. Do you need some help with work because we are free and little searching new work? Maybe not.
There's many places, very
beautiful.
Yes.
It's difficult, only one part choice, yeah?
There's some Westfjord in east. This is some place. It's very high mountain and Jökulsárlón.
Yeah. I was
very beautiful there.
It's a nice lake with ice, yeah? With iceberg.
Yeah.
And Vatnajökull, I was here.
Okay.
It's very nice. Or Gullfoss, it's huge.
Very huge, yeah.
Yeah. Now 2 months and something.
2 months? 2 months?
And something more, yeah.
Oh, okay. I have just this.
No, I have little more. Summer is very beautiful, same as local people mostly. Yeah.
It's very good summer now.
Maybe I am lucky boy because I don't have good equipment there.
And now in September, October is maybe very cold. Not 20, it's maybe 2, 3.
Okay.
10 years ago, I was on a car and the boat was into Arnarstapi. And I was into Vegamot. And I come here and no one. I was 2.5 hours.
Okay.
And no one stopped.
Yeah. Sometimes it's difficult.
Well, no one.
Okay.
I have it just like this, and it's a.
But maybe good meditation. Yeah?
Yes.
Only waiting.
Icelandics take you into the car. Is no problem.
No problem.
No problem.
On the main road, it's no problem. It's easy, I think. using hitchhiking, but in the Westfjord sometimes in the mountain not so many cars, yeah?
No, Ísafjarðardjúp, one car, there's no many cars on this time. You see mountain there?
Yeah.
This is a Snafellsjökull. I'm not so for ice. Okay, sometimes, and I have not so many ice.
Okay.
Can have so many ice for tasting this and this and this and
yeah. And sometimes it can buy ice cream on petrol station N1.
no.
It's good quality, I think. Lava?
Is this here?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. I want to ride my bicycle. Lundi tog, samloku na mira.
10th August, some like this time, they said summer is finished.
Okay.
Very hot there, we were there and we go next to Akureyri, and it was 2024.
2017,
Okay,
2 years back in summer,
okay.
27, I think, somewhere.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, it's possible.
Yeah.
Maybe some record of Iceland.
Yes, maybe it's 24, 26, yes.
Yeah.
It's very hot for Iceland.
Maybe global warming? I don't know.
I don't know. 19 or something, there was a lot of snow, like here and Westfjord, and this is not so much snow into Reykjavik. I think is driving this maybe 30 minutes.
Okay, it's not so far.
No, this came Ólafsvík, Rif, Hellissandur, Arnarstapur.
Tack för det.
Thank you so much. Christian, thank you so much. Tack för det.
Bless, bless.
Bless, bless.
I think it is better to have a rather close.
Yeah, maybe later. Now it's good for me.
Okay, bye bye. So this is our first live. We got this very nice guy. He drove us many kilometers. We arrived to this little town. It's called Grundfjord, I think. And it's like, for me, it's first time I'm in such a small town in Iceland, you know, so it's really a funny experience, you know, like everything is so small, but it's surprising that even here they have a swimming pool, you know, and they have this, they have like pretty much everything, you know, and really for me it's funny, this little petrol station, you know.
Grundafjordur.
Grundafjordur, yeah. This is the worst tourist ever. He's trying to get the best shot of the church. Come on, Peter, this is too much. Come on, this is too much. You cannot climb on people's property. Come on, boy. Peter, tell us, what is it? What is the mountain?
Maybe good place for take a picture.
Yes? You are tourist?
Tourist.
So, Peter, are we gonna swim or not? In the sea?
Mostly not.
Come on,
But
boy!
sometimes.
Let's do it! Oh shit!
Oh shit! Okay.
Badijn.
We travel to National Park. Snafellsnes?
I'll go to Ullersvik.
Ullersvik, yes,
Okay.
yes. Good,
We
good.
can connect?
Okay.
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 Tak.
Where are you from?
From Czechland, Czechia.
Czechland.
Yeah. And you are from Ullersvik?
I'm actually from Hitchhiking.
Oh, okay.
The next town.
Okay.
We've been in Grundarfjörður now some time. But just today.
Today we was actually start from Borgarnes
Okay.
and coming here. The first car bring us this town. This
Oh.
town.
Okay, so you.
And we wanna travel around all Snafellsnes.
Yeah, okay.
And after coming back and
It's pity that the mountain is.
yeah, it's very beautiful.
Yeah. There was the sky on it when you came. Did you see the top?
Ah,
Have you seen the top?
Yeah, we saw it before, yes.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, without cloud, yeah.
Yeah. I find this mountain very beautiful.
Yeah,
It's
like a prehistoric.
yeah, you remember the movie Lion King?
Okay.
Yeah, it reminds me of when he took the baby and
Okay.
showed it to the animal. You see the
Okay,
the
yeah.
movie. Yeah. It's like a shape of a heart. The waterfall,
Okay.
the top one.
Wow.
Waterfalls have Iceland?
Oh my God! There's so many.
Hundreds or thousands?
Oh, thousands.
Thousands?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just here, I'll tell you. I'll just show you on the way now. That's just between
Okay.
the towns. I went to the Westest Point last month, just driving around Westfjord,
Okay.
with the head of the Iceland, and that's amazing. There is nothing but mountain and waterfalls, but I was scared driving the roads. The roads are terrible. You can see whenever there's more been raining more, it will run there. Just now we will see another one. And in the winter time it's all frozen.
Okay.
And when it starts heating, it starts melting and it starts hitting the road here.
Yeah, check it out. The wind takes the waterfall up the stream. Yeah, it's crazy. Thank you so much.
Okay, no problem.
Tack för det.
Okay, very
Bye
good.
bye.
See you.
Bye. See you. What's up, Peter?
Jedem dál, vole, brako. Další stopping.
Okay guys, this is it. We are at the end of the world, at the end of the Iceland, and this is the last village before the Snafellsnes park, and we hope to get some lit through, or otherwise we'll have to head back. But yeah, this is like super tiny. This is not even village, you know. This is like a little settlement or a community, you know. Funny place. Wow. We have a new friend over here, and so the Peter's plan just to travel in the shorts doesn't really work, and yeah, we got a bit cold. We are still good. Peter is a little bit more colder, and now he's using the survival blanket. Yeah, crazy boy, yeah. So we are still hitchhiking, and it got really cold. So I'm just inside the petrol station here, warming up. And Peter is outside, you know, and he's just trying to catch a lift, and then we'll just switch. Check it out.
I'll get the show.
Hey guys, check it out. Lots of birds around. Right, so eventually we decided we just have to head back because we couldn't get any car for this park. So we are now heading back towards to Borgarnes, and yeah, that's it. Yo! Okay guys, this is it for the end of the day. We're gonna have a little bath in the thermal pot. Yes, let's do it. This is a thermal spot. It's called Landbrotalauk, and here we are. This is it, and we're gonna have a go. Look at it, Peter. Showtime. Give it a try. Oh shit! Okay, Peter, tell us, how is it?
to je. Šipku bych to nedával přímo. Ale úplně mi vřou ruce teďka, jak jsem měl výkosle. Změna teploty, kámoš. Teď už mi je teplo fajně.
Okay guys, let's give it a try. Oh shit. Woo. Okay guys, so this is it. Here I'm back in Borgarnes. We did it, you know, finally we are back home. And what I have to say, it was a really crazy trip today. We totally underestimated the weather conditions, you know. Byl to větřík, co? Ani čepičku si nesundáváš?
Petr, to byl větr.
And we totally didn't have enough of clothes, so we got really cold, you know, it was really hard.
Dneska potřebuji úplně bez větří teďka zažívat a bude mi dobře, si myslím, no.
So I'm really happy we are back here. It's not windy at all. It's totally different weather, you know, than just there.
Bylo to o 50% lepší hnedka bym neprofouklo to.
A jak se cítil, než si to nahodil?
To jsem se cítil blbě. To jsem byl vycvičený teď.
So it's very good experience for us, you know, it's lesson learned, like next time we have to have really good clothes on. Yeah, this is it. So finally this has a good ending. And as it is said, the experience doesn't have to be always good, but it has to be strong, which is this case. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed the trip with me and I will see you next time. And don't forget that I love you. Bye.